I'm Boyce Bonham, Chief Engineer for Hytrol Conveyor Company. Today we are excited to showcase one of our newest sortation solutions, the ProSort 1400 LP. This sorter is designed to fill a current void in the material handling industry, that is the conveyance of large, unconventionally sized and weighted products previously known to be out of range for sortation. Some of the unique features of this patent-pending LP design include divert blocks that are tall, robust, and uniquely designed and well-suited for positively diverting those large, hefty products, while retaining the ability to handle small packages, polybags, or even envelopes with the same confidence and precision. The conveying surface is made from a series of anodized aluminum slats fitted with low-friction surfaces that are even replaceable in the event of damage were to occur due to the nature and range of products that can be handled by this machine. Another key feature of the LP is the divert mechanisms. Not only are they robust, but they are also easily accessible for maintainability and serviceability for many cycles that they will experience. They are configured to smoothly, gently transition the products into the sort position and off to their assigned destination with the assistance of the integrated spur takeaway. When it comes to your required sort rate, the LP can handle those tough demands. Speeds are typically limited only by the products being conveyed. However, may reach speeds approaching 400 feet per minute or more. The sorter's software package, ProLogix or ProLogix Plus, tracks packages from induction to divert confirmation, while monitoring and ensuring the sortation system is functioning effectively and efficiently, while constantly monitoring and logging any events for the support team. Hytrol's unique patented plug-and-go wiring system makes for simple, quick, and trouble-free installation, whether you choose discrete or networked I/O. Although it's unlikely under normal operation, if a jam were to occur, the divert shoes on this conveyor are designed to decouple from its base to protect the sorter and eliminate costly downtime. The shoes are then easily replaceable, saving you time and money. Now that we've given you an overview of key features of the LP sorter, let's see it in action. First up for this demonstration is what we would consider a jumbo product, a sofa in a box, weighing in at nearly 200 pounds and a whopping 7.5 feet long. It's plain to see the LP has no issues taking on the challenge of effectively sorting furniture and the like products. Now, we will demonstrate the LP's versatility in effectively sorting a variety of products ranging down to the smallest of items. We will include item descriptions, weights, and dimensions on screen for each item as it's being sorted. I'll let you enjoy seeing our conveyor at work and rejoin you in just a moment. We hope you got a vision of what the Hytrol ProSort 1400 LP can accomplish within your operation through this brief product demonstration. Please contact us if you have questions about any of our material handling solutions and learn more about us at hytrol.com.